Tristan, what are you eating? Is that edible Play-Doh? They're not very good. Yucky. Yucky. Yuck. Yuck. Don't eat it. Can you make shapes out of it? Up high. Stretch high. Make shapes out of your Play-Doh. Play with it. Yuck. Mommy will make you a new kind that tastes better.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one didn't taste like the way it tasted when Mommy was a kid.